was only gone for a few days, but the ice completely cleared out the lake while I was gone. It's beautiful again. This is the weekend. I've been kind of looking forward to it, but dreading at the same time, admittedly. I gotta start my patio the weekend. It's gonna go right across the front of the cabin, down across the side, and wrap right around the front. So it was a huge job. But at the same time, it's one of them jobs that once you start at it, you get going, the momentum, you feel it, you keep going, and it's really rewarding at the end of the day. So let's go. All right, it's too carried away now. I gotta put this flashing on here first. Well, just getting ready to start out the day there. Bunch of full day, and my buddy just called me and asked me if I want to go fishing. I really shouldn't, you know, because I do have to build. Come on now, you know I'm going fishing. What do you think, buddy? Good day?
Good day.
Continuing with the theme of fishing, check out my good friend Tina Castle and her newly branded YouTube channel called Lady Angler Pursuits. Tina explores the vast Labrador waters in fine style and features guests who get to share in catching some of the most incredible fish you'll ever see. Subscribe to follow her just like I do. You'll be glad you did. Some lake trout we caught yesterday. Also got some sea trout here that Murray Parrott gave me. I cut them up in little chunks. I'm gonna try to smoke them almost like for little smoked bites as opposed to a whole piece of fish. Lake trout smoked very, very well. I've been smoking it now, I'd say 20 plus years, and it's a real treat in our house. And anybody comes in, you know, for a visit. I know just what to take out. I haven't had seal meat now in 2 or 3 years, and this week I was lucky enough to be given 2 meals of it. Thanks Russ and Denley. And my cousin Russ, he tells me of a recipe where you put baking soda in water and soak your seal into it for an hour or so, and it draws all the blood out of it and makes it taste even better. Just look at that. Well, what a beautiful morning this morning. It's supposed to be 23, 24 degrees Celsius. So I'm gonna crack right at her today. See how much I can get done. Should be a good day. And by the way, check out these new hats. Flex Fit. Large, extra large, this one is. On the merchandise store. fun makers. We're getting some much needed rain here, folks. My thoughts are going out to all you guys who got all the forest fires on the go. This was a huge project. I have a ton more work to do with this patio. Lots of finished things to put on it. Stay tuned to the next few videos where you'll see all the upgrades. And on to the next video. Take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. And we'll see you next time. Guaranteed.
Get outside.